Laminate is a popular choice for countertops because it's inexpensive and comes in many different colors and patterns. There are several ways to install laminate countertops in your home. The easiest way is to buy prefabricated countertop sections like this. The laminate on the surface wraps right around the front edge and at the back has an integrated backsplash. You'll need to cut it to the proper length and cover the ends with an end cap kit that includes a filler block and a pre-cut matching piece of laminate. Just secure it to the end with a household iron. Depending on your layout, you may need to install a different pre-cut piece to extend your backsplash along the edge. Now, if your countertop is L-shaped, you'll need to purchase a left and a right miter piece that are pre-cut at 45 degrees. You'll put wood glue in the joint, push the two pieces together, and hold them in place with special fasteners called miter bolts. Another way to install laminate countertops is to fabricate them yourself. You'll be able to make exactly what you want and there will be no seams on the top surface, but it can be complicated. First, you'll need to build the substrate for the countertop from 3/4 inch plywood. Install additional strips of plywood around the perimeter to make it appear thicker and to reinforce any joints. Then, using a trim router, cut a sheet of laminate for the top of the counter and the front edges. Cut the pieces to be slightly oversized. Glue on the edge banding with contact cement and press it in place with a J-roller. Trim the edge flush and sand it smooth. Cut the hole for the sink and apply more contact cement, this time with a paint roller. Put adhesive on both the bottom of the laminate and the top of the plywood. Carefully position the top piece of laminate and press it into place. Then trim the edges and sand or file them one more time. Fabricating a laminate countertop on site is complex and it should be done by a professional contractor. But as a homeowner, you can have a countertop fabricated to your exact specifications and install it yourself. The countertop in this kitchen is old and outdated, so we're going to replace it. We'll also replace the kitchen sink and the ceramic tile backsplash. The first step is to take precise measurements of the existing countertop, including the length, width, overhang, height of the backsplash, and other dimensions. Then, place the order for the new countertop, specifying the color, pattern, and the edge profile you prefer. When the counter arrives, usually in a few weeks, disconnect the water supply and turn off the electricity at the circuit breaker. Remove the garbage disposer, the sink, and in this case, the electric cooktop. Cut the caulking and pry the backsplash away from the wall. Then remove the ceramic tile as well. Unscrew the countertop from the cabinets and be sure to check if it's also attached to the dishwasher. Slide the countertop out and remove it in one piece if possible. Dry fit the new countertop on the cabinets and confirm that it fits along the walls and edges. Mark the length for the backsplash pieces and cut them with a circular saw. You may want to put a piece of tape over the cut line to make sure that the laminate cuts cleanly. Attach the counter to the corner braces of the cabinets using nails or screws. Make sure your fasteners aren't too long, otherwise you could go right through the surface of that brand new laminate. Use a template to mark the location for the new sink, making sure to leave the proper space at the front and back. And it's always a good idea to confirm that the template matches the actual dimensions of the sink. Drill starter holes in each corner and use a jigsaw to cut the opening. Repeat the process for the stovetop. Attach the new faucet and install the sink according to the manufacturer's instructions. Next, reattach the garbage disposer, water supply, and drain lines. To attach the laminate backsplash, apply construction adhesive across the back and a bead of silicone along the back edge of the counter. Set the backsplash in position, and if necessary, use temporary braces to hold it in place while the adhesive cures. With the ceramic tile installed on the back wall, the end result is a beautiful kitchen with brand new countertops. Laminate is a cost-effective way to replace the countertops in your kitchen, bathroom, or laundry. It offers many options for colors and patterns, and there are many different ways to complete the installation.